K2 blackpearl purchase request. The Denalix organization needed to update their manual purchase request process to allow an easy way to request new purchases, as well as allow their managers to access approval tasks remotely. Using K2 blackpearl, the Denalix team built a process-driven application that allows users to easily request new purchases, allows managers to approve requests from their mobile devices, and improves inventory tracking. Let's take a look at the solution from the end user's perspective. First, we'll log in as Jeff. Jeff needs to purchase a laptop for a new Denalix employee. He opens his department portal and selects New Purchase Request. The purchase request form opens with all of Jeff's contact information pre-populated. Jeff fills in the description for the request and enters the line item information for the laptop. If Jeff needed additional items, he could add them to the request by clicking on the Insert Item link, but for now the laptop is all he needs, so he submits the request. Once the request has been submitted, Jeff can click on the Purchase Request link, which will take him to a list on the Operations portal where he can find status of his request. Jeff verifies that the request has been received by his manager. At any time during the process, Jeff can come here to find the status of his request. He can also see a read-only version of his original request that includes all of the request information, as well as any comments from the approvers. Next, we'll log in as Sarah, Jeff's manager. Sarah normally checks for tasks on her work list in the HR portal, but she is traveling today, so is keeping track of her tasks from her BlackBerry. Sarah sees that she has a new message, so she opens her inbox and then opens the email. To approve or decline the request, Sarah can just reply to the email, so she opens a reply mail and types Approved. Sarah sends the email and her task is complete. Next, we'll log in as Veronica, who is part of the Operations department. She needs to verify that the laptop Jeff is requesting is available. She checks the stock and verifies its availability, and now must indicate that in the process. She opens the portal and clicks on her work list. Clicking on the task list will open the form, and she'll indicate that the stock is available, and will then submit the form. Once the stock has been verified, an email notification is sent to Jeff, the originator, letting him know that the laptop is available and ready for pickup from the Operations department. Jeff opens the email and knows that he can now go pick up the laptop. Once Jeff has collected the laptop, Andrew, the Operations manager, needs to complete the request by indicating that the item was picked up by Jeff. Andrew is rarely at his desk, but knows that he can access his task information from his PDA. Andrew gets on his PDA and navigates to the K2 work list. He opens the task for this request and selects the Item Collected checkbox on the form. He submits the form, and the request is now complete. Using the K2 blackpearl platform, Denalix has successfully implemented a solution that automates their purchasing process and improves tracking and efficiency.